Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights and a registry backup. Once done, open Regedit now. You'll navigate to HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft and create an Edge key if it doesn't exist. This is the first actionable step because Edge reads policy keys at startup. Making the key now ensures the value you add will apply system-wide. Take care with UAC prompts and make a quick export of the branch before changing anything so you can restore if a mistake happens. Next, create a DWORD 32-bit value named Disable in Private mode and set it to 1. This instructs Edge to disable in private browsing at the policy layer. Once set, Edge will enforce the restriction on next launch, so close any running instances first. If you prefer group policy, open gpedit. MSC, go to Administrative Templates Microsoft Edge and configure the Allow in Private setting to Disabled. Make sure to use the method that matches your environment. Local registry for single machines, finish by restarting Edge or rebooting so the new policy is loaded. Then open Edge and confirm the new in private window option is gone from the menu. Once done, if you manage multiple devices, run gpupdate/force or trigger an Intune sync so clients receive the change. If in private still appears, make sure the registry path and spelling are exact. Check that policies from group policy or mobile device management aren't overriding the local registry, and confirm you edited the machine hive with administrator rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.